SEC meets with Grayscale, Blackrock about potential Bitcoin ETF. Updated 30th of November. This is hot, all right? Now, this kind of set the precedence, opening up the pathway for the grand approval of the Bitcoin spot ETF. By the way, some of you start to missing your face in front of the camera. You know, I can't see your reaction. I thought you guys are attending a funeral or something like that. No expression. This should be a very happy time. You should be celebrating out there, pam, pam, pam. And Oi! Are you guys around or not? So I want to show you what we have kind of... I'll show you two charts first, all right? To blow your mind first, all right? It's like crazy, crazy charts. This is like holy moly chart. Here we go. The first chart I want to show you is from BITO, B-I-T-O, all right? Now, what is BITO? So you have a Bitcoin spot ETF and a Bitcoin futures ETF. This is the first virgin Bitcoin futures ETF that was approved in October 2021. That led to the highest price of Bitcoin at $69,000 per coin because of the approval of the futures ETF. Okay? Now, what exactly is the futures ETF? It's just like in the stock market, they approve options trading because options trading is deriving its value from the underlying security, which is the stock, or known as the equity. So can you imagine they approve a future instrument like options trading, but didn't approve the stocks? How crazy can that be? But finally now I understand what the hell is going on, right? So back then they approved a futures instrument, led to Bitcoin hitting 69,000. And from that point onwards, everything went down. Because there's a lot of bad actors in the market, starting with Terra Luna. We know right now they are scam, a major Ponzi. So that guy will be extradited to United States from Montenegro. That Korean guy who set up a Singapore company, so Singapore name got dragged into the picture because his company is based out of Singapore, right? So he'll be extradited to US very soon. He will face at least 100 years in prison. And of course, after that, you have FTX, Sam Bankman-Fried, also minimum 100 years in prison. But the third guy is the strange guy. He's only going to get maximum maybe 24 months in prison. We're going to talk about the third guy very soon. But here is something that is really about to happen, and I need all of us to track this very closely, right? Here we go. In an article like this, we want to track the timeline. Because once this is approved, all hell breaks loose because the pension funds, the retirement funds, the sovereign wealth funds, finally they have the green light and mandate, okay, you can buy a Bitcoin ETF now. This is the moment that everybody is waiting for, right? So here we go. SEC is formally engaging with asset managers ahead of a much anticipated decision on whether the regulator will approve a Bitcoin exchange traded fund. Means it's going to be approved, that's why they meet up with them. Or else they wouldn't even bother to talk to you, right? And they are meeting with the biggest and the largest fund manager on planet Earth, that's called Blackrock. And NASDAQ is involved because NASDAQ is the exchange. And the growing confidence in the market that Bitcoin ETF will eventually be approved. And here we go. So we're going to kind of nail down on the dates and see whether any clue or not, right? BlackRock filed for a Bitcoin spot ETF in June, and in the history, the record history of BlackRock, in over 400 applications, they have only failed once. Out of 400 applications with the SEC, all right, they have only failed once in their lifetime. That's the record of BlackRock. That's how powerful everything is, all right? Hi, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the way I go about performing analysis, connecting the dots, then I want to invite you to our upcoming Cozy Live Trading. This is a full-scale 5-hour session, and what we do is this. We always cover the past 2 weeks, what the key events have happened in the stock market, and we also cover the next 2 weeks. So together, coming to the Cozy Live Trading, you enjoy 1 month of complete knowledge whereby we connect the dots, perform the analysis, and then we fire off the trades. So join us really soon in the upcoming Cozy Live Trading. Go below right now, click to register, and I shall see you in the class. Thank you. Goodbye.